The Rafale will completely change the way air forces operate. It will allow ground personnel, pilots, and maintenance teams to work under easier, more comfortable conditions. 11:05 and 30 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Environment aircraft. The Rafale is a technological revolution.
Its radar makes you think of a bat. Its optronics make you think of a cat's night vision.
An iron bird of prey, a large raptor like an eagle. A bird that makes you dream, almost invisible.
Strength, power, stealth. It can see with...
Compared to those of previous generations, this aircraft is integrated into a global system. It's completely integrated into its mission training systems and can then replay the entire mission.
Les Rafales de l'armée de l'air viennent de connaître l'épreuve du feu en Afghanistan.
Le soutien aérien des Rafales engagés au combat risque de se multiplier.
The aircraft is, in itself, a complete defense system capable of multiple missions. So then we arrive, we dive, and we break away.
Sir, gentlemen, good morning. Here is the latest information you'll need to carry out today's mission.
Takeoff from Saint-Dizier, air refueling at 14:45 Zulu. Split of the two aircraft. Firing of the 4 scouts. Any questions? Closing the cockpit. Good luck. The Rafale is the only aircraft able to take off with 2.5 times its empty weight. The Rafale can receive information.
Your float is north 4545. The burst will be at 2:15.
Split of the two aircraft for a bi-scout linked mission. Terrain following is a concept. A digital flight control system coupled with a very low altitude trajectory computer allows the Rafale to fly undetected by hostile radar.
Once the target...
Integrated maintenance concept, the aircraft is never grounded for repairs and boasts an operational availability rate of more than 90%.
ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਜੈਕਟਾਂ ਲਾਈਟਾਂ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਗਈਆਂ ਤੋਰਾਂ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਕਾਈਟਾਂ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੇ